Hey everyone! Have you ever felt tired, run down, or like something is just off? What if your body is sending you a message? Today, we're diving into signs your body might be lacking vital nutrients. Welcome back to our channel. I'm BeYourHealth. Let's jump in. Brittle hair and nails can signal nutrient deficiencies. If you notice more broken hair or nails, your body might be telling you something. Biotin, zinc, and iron are crucial for healthy hair and nails. Ensure your diet includes these nutrients to maintain strength and health. So, how do we get more of these hair and nail-loving nutrients? It's all about making smart food choices. You don't need fancy supplements or expensive treatments. Many everyday foods are packed with biotin, zinc, and iron. Eggs are a fantastic source of biotin. You can also find biotin in nuts and seeds. They make for a great snack or salad topper. Spinach is a zinc superstar. Throw some in your smoothies, salads, or even sauté it. Whole grains are another good source of zinc. Boost your iron intake with lean meats like chicken and turkey. Lentils, beans, and tofu are great plant-based sources of iron. A balanced diet is key to strong, healthy hair and nails. Let's move on to our next sign. Fatigue and weakness. Constant fatigue might mean you're low on essential nutrients. Low iron, vitamin B12, or magnesium could be the culprits. These nutrients are vital for energy production. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production. Without enough iron, your body can't make enough red blood cells. This can lead to fatigue and weakness. Let's combat fatigue and boost energy naturally. Start with iron-rich foods like chicken, turkey, and fish. Vegetarians can opt for lentils, beans, tofu, and spinach. Boost B12 with animal products or fortified plant-based milk. Don't forget magnesium from leafy greens and nuts. Food is fuel. Eat well, feel energized, and take on the day. Let's talk about getting sick. Nobody likes it, right? It's miserable. If you're catching every cold, your immune system might need a boost. Think of your immune system as your body's defense team. It needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Vitamin C and zinc are vital for a strong immune system. Boosting these nutrients can be a game changer. How do you get more vitamin C and zinc into your diet? Real food is the best medicine. Think bright and colorful for vitamin C. Citrus fruits and bell peppers are excellent sources. For zinc, try pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and dark chocolate. Balance and variety are key. Support your immune system with nutrient-rich foods. Ever get those annoying, sometimes painful sores in your mouth? They make it uncomfortable to eat or talk. Often they're due to nutritional deficiencies. Iron, B vitamins, and vitamin C are crucial for healthy mucous membranes. Without them, our mouths become more susceptible to sores. Addressing deficiencies is as simple as tweaking your diet. Incorporate foods rich in iron, B vitamins, and vitamin C. Iron is essential for cell growth and repair. Deficiency can cause cracks at the mouth corners. Excellent sources include lean meats like poultry and fish. Vegetarians can use legumes like lentils and beans. B vitamins are crucial for energy and cell health. Deficiency in B12 can lead to mouth sores. Boost intake with eggs, dairy, and fortified cereals. Vitamin C is crucial for wound healing and gums. Load up on citrus fruits, strawberries, and leafy greens. Remember, a balanced diet is key. Incorporate these foods for a healthier mouth. You'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier mouth. Have you ever noticed it's harder to see in dim lighting or at night? One often overlooked factor is your diet, specifically your vitamin A intake. Vitamin A is essential for rhodopsin, a pigment in your retina. Rhodopsin acts like night vision goggles for your eyes. Without enough vitamin A, you risk night blindness. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin A to improve night vision. What are the best foods for optimal eye health and night vision? Think orange and dark leafy greens. Carrots and sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene converted into vitamin A. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect your eyes from blue light and age-related damage. Foods rich in vitamin A and omega-3s, like salmon, support retina health. A balanced diet is key to clear, healthy vision for years to come. Alright guys, have you ever experienced that weird pins and needles sensation? Like your hands or feet are asleep, even when they're not? It's not just you fidgeting, it could be your body trying to tell you something. We're talking about a potential nutrient deficiency. See, our nerves are like the electrical wiring of our bodies, transmitting signals from the brain to every nook and cranny. And guess what they need to function correctly? You got it. Those vital nutrients we keep talking about? Specifically, tingling or numbness, especially in your extremities, can be a sign your body's running low on certain B vitamins, like B6 and B12. Now, B vitamins are crucial for nerve health. Think of them as the insulation around those electrical wires, helping those signals travel smoothly. Without enough insulation, those signals get messed up, leading to those weird sensations. We'll also touch on another key player, magnesium, in just a bit. So, how do you combat this tingling and get those nerves back on track? Well, the answer often lies in a hearty dose of the right foods. First up, we've got bananas. Not only are they a great source of potassium, which is essential for muscle function, but they're also packing a good amount of vitamin B6. Next, let's talk about fish. Fatty fish, like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are loaded with vitamin B12. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have a bunch of other health benefits. Don't forget about those whole grains. We're talking brown rice, quinoa, oats. These guys are your friends when it comes to B vitamins. And last but not least, let's not underestimate the power of a handful of almonds. They're packed with magnesium, which, like those B vitamins, plays a vital role in nerve function. Now, let's talk about your skin. It's your body's largest organ, protecting you from the elements. Dry, flaky skin can be common, especially during certain times of the year. The solution might be simpler than you think: what you eat. Essential fatty acids and vitamin E are key for skin health. So how do we get these skin-saving nutrients into our diet? It's all about making smart food choices. Avocados, for example, are like nature's moisturizer. They're packed with healthy fats, including those essential fatty acids that help keep your skin supple and hydrated. And let's not forget about nuts and seeds. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds, these little guys are nutritional powerhouses, providing a good dose of both essential fatty acids and vitamin E. And of course, we can't talk about skin health without mentioning fatty fish. Salmon, in particular, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we've learned, are essential for maintaining that healthy skin barrier. So incorporate these foods into your diet and you'll be well on your way to achieving that radiant glow. Alright, let's address something that might make some of you squirm: bleeding gums. Now, before you brush it off as no big deal, listen up. While it might seem like just a minor annoyance, bleeding gums can actually be a sign of something more serious going on beneath the surface. Often it points to an underlying nutritional deficiency, specifically a lack of vitamin C in your diet. Think about it. Your gums are like the foundation for your teeth. They're made up of soft tissues that need proper nourishment to stay healthy and strong. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that acts like the glue that holds your body together, including your gums. It helps maintain the integrity of the blood vessels in your gums, preventing them from becoming fragile and prone to bleeding. So, what's the best way to combat bleeding gums and give your oral health a boost? You guessed it. Load up on vitamin C-rich foods. Luckily, there are tons of delicious options to choose from. Let's start with the obvious: citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes. These guys are bursting with vitamin C. But don't stop there. Did you know that kiwi actually packs even more vitamin C per ounce than an orange? It's true. And let's not forget about the humble tomato. They're not just a delicious addition to salads and sandwiches. They're also a surprisingly good source of vitamin C. And last but not least, no list of vitamin C superstars would be complete without mentioning spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with nutrients, including a healthy dose of vitamin C. So make sure you're incorporating these foods into your diet to keep those gums healthy and strong. Let's talk about bone health. We often take our bones for granted until they act up. Strong bones are crucial for everything we do. Bone pain or weakness signals something might be off. Often it's a deficiency in vitamin D or calcium. These nutrients work hand in hand. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, and calcium builds strong bones. Without them, bones become brittle. So what can you do? Get enough sunlight. Sunlight helps produce vitamin D. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Diet plays a key role. Load up on calcium-rich foods. Your bones will thank you. Preventing bone issues like osteoporosis is way easier than treating them later on. It's all about building healthy habits early on. And it's not just about calcium and vitamin D. Regular weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, or dancing are fantastic for strengthening bones. These activities put stress on your bones, which actually helps them become denser and stronger over time. Think of it like building muscle, but for your bones. And hey, don't forget about your posture. Maintaining good posture throughout the day can help distribute weight evenly on your bones and prevent unnecessary strain. So stand tall, sit up straight, and be mindful of how you're carrying yourself. Finally, if you have any concerns about your bone health, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. They can assess your individual needs, recommend any necessary tests, and provide personalized advice on how to keep those bones strong and healthy for years to come. Let's be real, nobody likes to see more hair on their brush than usual. It can be a blow to your confidence and leave you wondering what's going on. Nutritional deficiencies are often overlooked causes of hair loss. Our hair needs specific nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Iron, zinc, and protein are essential for hair growth. Iron deficiency, or anemia, is a common cause of hair loss. Iron helps carry oxygen to hair follicles. Without enough iron, hair follicles may not receive the oxygen they need. Zinc is crucial for cell production and repair. A zinc deficiency can disrupt the hair growth cycle. Now, before you start panicking about hair loss, remember that addressing nutritional deficiencies can often make a big difference. The good news is that you can easily incorporate iron, zinc, and protein-rich foods into your diet. Lean meats, poultry, and seafood are excellent sources of both iron and protein. Plant-based sources of iron include beans, lentils, spinach, and tofu. To boost your zinc intake, include foods like oysters, nuts, seeds, and whole grains in your diet. And remember, protein is crucial for hair growth as it provides the building blocks for hair cells. Make sure you're getting enough protein from sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. If you suspect you might have a nutritional deficiency contributing to hair loss, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can assess your individual needs and recommend any necessary tests or supplements. So, there you have it, 10 signs your body might be lacking vital nutrients. These symptoms are your body's way of telling you to make a change. Remember, you have the power to take control of your health. To avoid these issues, focus on a balanced diet filled with whole, nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel to function optimally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips, and let us know in the comments which signs surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.